2 years into teaching, I decided that I am going to have a classroom desk makeover, and I decided I'm going to remove my desk completely from the classroom. It was the best decision I can make, and I'm going to share with you why. Hi, I'm so happy that you're here with me. My name is Rosanna Hernandez. I am currently a public school administrator and a former classroom teacher. I was a high school math teacher for several years before going into administration. And besides being a public school administrator, I have two small businesses, one of which is efficiency and organization, where I teach people how they could be efficient and organized and well managed with their time so they can accomplish a lot in life. So if you're looking for any ideas on how to be more productive, how to have much better time management, how to be efficient, and be able to get a lot done with awesome organizing skills and tips, you should subscribe to this channel. You should also share this channel with your friends and family members so that they can get ideas and resources and tips too. So let me tell you how it all happened. Why did I decide as a classroom teacher to get rid of my desk? First of all, I had a lot of students with not enough space for me to walk around and stuff. So I was like, you know what? I have 36 desks. Not only that, but I have the file cabinets and stuff in the back of the room. I need more space here. It's just too cluttered. And so that wasn't working for me. And I was like, you know what? The kids feel cluttered here too. So I have an idea. The desk takes a lot of space. It does, you guys. Go and check in your classroom. Imagine the desk wasn't there, how much more room you would have. So I was like, okay, what do I have in the desk that I have to have a desk for? If it's books and stuff, I have a cabinet I could put it in. If it's grading papers and things like that, file folders, well, I have somewhere I could put those. So like a cart, why do I need this desk for? For the drawers? It doesn't make sense. All my lesson plans were on the computer anyway. I saved them all on a USB drive. I saved them on my Google Drive. So it's not like I had need for that. And like I said, a lot of classrooms already come with cabinets and stuff. So all the manipulatives and things like that I had, they weren't going in my desk. They were going up there. So I said, okay, I'm going to organize my classroom completely differently. First, I'm going to get rid of the desk. So got rid of that. And instead, I got myself one of those rolling tables because that was so helpful. And you know what? They have some on Amazon. I'll share 3 different kinds with you in a description box. See which one works for you. The best part was that I could station it wherever I wanted. So during test days, I would have the laptop on and then I'm standing. I was able to walk it around while I'm able to see the students and still kind of do a little bit of work on my laptop just to prevent cheating and stuff. It took so little space compared to a desk. It was awesome. The other thing that I noticed right away was how much student engagement I had versus how much other teachers had. Because I was up on my feet, I was close to the students. Proximity is everything. And so I was like, I could see what they're up to all the time because I'm on my feet and I could see what they're doing. You have no idea how obtrusive a desk is because it's got those walls, right? And then usually desks are located towards a classroom, a corner of a classroom. Like now as an administrator, when I walk in, that's the first feeling I get. The teacher is there, the students are here. So it's kind of like, I'm here, you're there. You have no idea how much it helps with engagement when you get rid of that wall, when that wall is broken and you're there among them. When you're close to the students like that, you think they misbehave? No. You think they have side conversations? No. The entire time they're working. And then because I was mobile so much, I could see what they're doing, like the work that they were doing during their independent practice time, guided practice time. And I was like, oh, you made a mistake there. Oh, write this word like this. The other thing I'm going to tell you is I love the fact that I was on my feet. I was putting in my steps. And it was keeping me so healthy rather than sitting and for me gaining weight. It did affect me. This way I was up on my feet, very active, and it just helped me a lot with my health, with maintaining my weight. And so that was like a very big important reason why I also wanted the desk removed. Having the desk removed was like for me a way not to sit down and be active and engaged. So that way I'm being healthy, I'm being active in my life while I'm also active with the students in the class. It's great for classroom management. So just like this idea, I share a lot of ideas on just overall organization, whether it's in your personal life, whether it's with your finances, in your classroom, in leadership. And so I strongly suggest you subscribe to this channel. I release videos twice every week. It used to be once a week, but then I increased it because I just found that I had a lot to say, a lot of ideas to put out there. So that way, if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when the new videos come out. I appreciate you being with me, and I will catch you in the next video.